Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Suzanne featuring Kathy King from Paper Phenomenon Project. Picture Perfect Volume 4 in a portrait mode using the Simple Stories emoji paper. This is the cover of my mini album. Right there, this is a gift for somebody. That's why I put that photo template so they can cut the photograph to stick into that little Polaroid spot. This album is about, I guess, 6.5 by 8. It's in the tutorial. I made this according to the specs of the tutorial, which I will link below. Here are the inserts on the inside cover. I love this little paper. I thought I wouldn't like this paper, but once I started playing with it, oh, it was fun. Cute little emoji paper. And I'm somebody who'll send you a text and fill it with emojis. I'm one of those people. This is a tag with a little French fry. And that's another little photo spot there, photo journaling card that I put together. Here now, this is an acetate pocket. And I use that same birthday die that I did on the cards, my only birthday die. Here's a little tag, and you can put a photograph on the back. On this one, I used the acetate has little writing on it. Flip the page over, open up this flap. This is a little photo spot that I can tuck underneath, trying to make it as interactive. I think the paper made it super interactive. Here, that little shallow pocket there hold that tag and that little journaling card. I just think this album is just so cute. I really do love this paper. Here now, this is a side-loading pocket, but I love the little emoji faces, so I didn't want to put anything in there. Here now, you load that up too at that angled pocket. And right beside it is another pocket with a piece of acetate. And this is just a card, photograph on the front, 2 photos on the back, or a little journaling spot. And it's also side loading. This is a cute tutorial, and she also made them the super size too, so there's a bigger, even a top loading side pocket. You see that part? That's rather big. And here again with the angled pocket and some more cards and photo opportunities. I love this paper, and I think you can still find it if you like it. I think this is great for like a young person, or just for yourself. If you love to take, if you love emojis, why not? Right there, that's a 3x4. You can stick a photograph right underneath the word emoji. Over to the right here, this is a flap that flips out. That I left plain. Photo, photo, photo. 4x6. Flip it over to the back again. Another photo opportunity. Yes, it's mostly vertical. But that's how we take pictures with our phones anyway. Is holding it straight up, right? And underneath that bow, you can stick the photograph. Open that little flap up again for the next page assembly. And there's another acetate pocket with my acetate that has little polka dots on it. There was a time when they were selling acetate with patterns on it, and I thought it worked really well with this paper. Look at that. Isn't that emoji so cute with the laughing? And I stick it right underneath it. What I did, I punched a circle and then put the die cut piece on top of it just to make it more sturdy. This is that same pocket again, that shallow pocket. Using a card and a photo opportunity, slide it in, flip it back. Here, another side-loading pocket, but of course I like to see the little poop running down the page. That's why it says LOL-OMG, right? Flip it out. Here's an angled pocket. This is a great tutorial. And if you are like really, into making mini albums, of course you can supersize this all you want. You can make this 8x10 easily, and you can also shrink it down. And that's why I just love how interactive it is, though. Oh, there goes that. So there's another pocket, acetate pocket, and a side loading pocket. And then there's going to be that top loading pocket. I'm going to pull out the paper in a second. Show you right here, right there. You can stick a bunch of photographs, or you can do like a 5x7, 8x10, 8x10 trim down photograph. Here again, I'm showing you that you can put a little journaling card or a 3x4 photograph along with that little Instagram looking camera. Or Polaroid. What am I saying? There's a journaling spot. Here, there's another part with the card that flips out, that flap flips out to reveal 2 photo opportunities. So it's like a flap that opens twice. Oh, sorry, opens 3 times. Haha. And then flips back over, closes that flap for journaling spot. And here's the last page assembly. Opens up with that side loading acetate pocket. And it can fit a few goodies because these pockets are expandable. So you can fit like, 3 or 4 cards in there. Flip it back over, open out that flap or that spot right there. Open up the flap. There it is, photo opportunity. Here and again with the shallow pocket. I really like that shallow pocket because you get to enjoy the paper. You get to really display, the journaling card. Again with the poop, the side loading pocket. You are something magical. There you go. Let's tuck that in. Flip it over. Angled pocket again. This paper line is really cute. Yes, it's colorful. Yes, it's bright. But I had fun with it. It came together easily. Some paper packs, you'll work on it and you're like, okay, I'm putting this down. There are some albums I have. I still have pages to finish because I just got so sick of the paper. This was not one of them. And I just think this is so cute again with the acetate pocket. And I lined it with the little trim. And there on the side, there goes the emoji, side loading. Tucking that back in. Again, the top side loading. Pretty big. So you can get mileage out of this tutorial. Picture Perfect, Volume 4. Flip it over again, enjoying the paper. Here, I did a little magnet flap. There, you can put a photograph, and here it is again with the interaction, but folded differently. So that one is folded like a zigzag. The other one just folded in on itself. Haha. That was a tongue twister for me. Here's a back pocket. And here I'm just showing you some more photo cards. I just cut the paper and just stuck a little part on it. And here I used, I think it was a We Are Memory Keepers angled punch. That's the back inside pocket that loads up nicely. That's the back cover. This paper with the coffee, that's actually a different paper line. Don't ask me what. I just had like 1 or 2 sheets of it. But everything else is Simple Stories Emoji Love. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Until next time.